So many people make this mistake when they are joining the sleeve of their blazer. Yes, the lining and the main fabric, when they are joining it together, they make this mistake and it seems difficult. Let me show you a quick way you can fix that. All right, so now you see this is our lining and this is the main fabric. All right, so what you're going to do is, by the time you are done joining the front panels together, this is where the lapel is, you push it in, making sure that the sides, the two sides are like this. You see the way it is, like this. Then you bring them together like this, you see. So here is your sleeve. So what you're going to do right here is this. You pin this place together. Okay, pin that side together. You come to this side, open your lining up, then use pin on both sides. Then come to the main fabric, repeat the same process. Once you are done with that, you push your lining, still facing this side, you see, then you bring it this way into your main fabric like this. Then make sure you pin the two together and do the same thing on the other side. Then you find the midpoint. You pin that together. You see how fast it is. Then you come here. The next thing is to start sewing, and here I'm joining the two together with 0.5. So the next thing is make sure you trim off any excess thread. Then you come here, you remove your pin, and see, you are done. So now I'm going to do something. I'll be bringing everything out from here. And when you are bringing it out, be careful so you don't pull too much, so your the seam will rip. All right, so let me bring out the sleeve. You see the inside, you see it. Then the other side too. See, there won't be any issue whatsoever. So that is how you join your sleeves together. All right, thanks for watching.